This machine is specially designed to make paper shopping bags with twisted and flat handles. It can form the paper bag in one process from the paper roll, handle patching, side gluing, tube forming and cutting, bottom creasing and gluing and forming, to bags collection in the control of 8 servo motors to ensure the high precision and stability, simple maintenance and high efficiency. It is ideal equipment for making carry bags for food delivery or shopping purpose.